Again, good afternoon. Welcome to tonight's free video here for simplerfutures.com. So we had this little bit of interesting trade today. Continued with the bid into this voodoo snow line that we've got up here at around 63 in the ES. Marked the high really nicely, and we started to back away from it a little bit today. Down around 2250 right now, which is not super bearish. I mean, it's pretty much where we started this morning session at 8:30, but it is away from the overnight high, and it is, it's leaving a little wick on the top, relatively kind of a weak close. Here's the thing though, it's in front of tomorrow, Tuesday, potentially, I guess, a turnaround Tuesday, and then certainly in front of the highly anticipated and very important Fed FOMC announcement on Wednesday. Okay, so may see a little profit taking possibly in front of Wednesday's announcement in the event that there is some surprise factor that has the increased volatility on Wednesday. Some folks that are going to want to shore up profits in front of that. Kind of makes sense. If that's the case, then here's what you would anticipate seeing. That would be, I don't think a lot of range, because there's not going to be a need for folks to get terribly carried away with putting on sizable new positions, that kind of thing, in front of some important news on Wednesday. You'd want to wait until after that to do that, but what you could see tomorrow would be a breach of today's low, which would give you a little not terribly range expansive, but a little kind of pullback against the high right there, which would mark a little bit of profit taking. Not terribly bearish, but certainly could have us pull back a little bit. So that's kind of what I'd be looking for tomorrow. There's no sense in getting so terribly carried away with trying to get too far in front of ourselves or ahead of ourselves right now, because we'll have updates between now and the Fed. So you got plenty of time for that. This is what I'd be looking for though tomorrow, given the way the market traded last night up into this voodoo line and the way it reacted, which was to pull back, and the way it's trading right now, which is down around 2250 at 3:30 in the afternoon. So that's kind of what I'm looking at. Now I'm going to hop over and do the premium video, because we did have some interesting trade in like the treasuries, for instance. If you want to see, we're getting some bouncy in the treasuries there against a voodoo. That's the 10s. Then over here into the 30s, you can kind of see the same sort of setup into a voodoo, little bouncy wick on the bottom, that kind of deal. So let me hop over, do that, and wish everybody here good trading. Look forward to being with you again here at the next update. Until then, good trading and have a good night.